Hey guys, welcome back. Today I do have a 2014 Kia Cadenza. They are here for an oil change and they do have a concern about their seat. Check this out. Yep, that's the problem, guys. It's a lot louder than normal. Okay guys, so I got a better angle for you guys so you can see a lot better. That's the noise right there. It's gonna be a lot louder, huh? Let's go ahead and compare it to the passenger side. Okay, so this is the passenger side. We're just gonna do a comparison. I'm gonna flip my phone right there and I'm gonna move it forward. So smooth, huh? But do you notice that tube, the black tube, it's not touching the rail right there? Yeah, I wonder if we can adjust that thing and maybe we can fix the problem, right? It's not grinding at all. And here on the other side, where is it? It's right there. See? That black tube is not grinding or touching the rail. I think we can move that farther out. Let's see what happens. All right, so I got myself a screwdriver and let's see if we can move that one. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay, all right guys, so it's no longer, oops, still in there. Let me do it really quick. Okay, now it's no longer riding the rail, right? Let's see how it goes. Okay, all right. Oh, will you look at that? All right. Woohoo! There we go. I don't know, for some reason, somehow, that whatever protective boot is that it, somehow it moved through the rail and causing the vibration and noise. But now, it's gone. All right, awesome. And there is a penny right there. Well, that penny is not hurting the rail, but I'm gonna go remove it. Yeah, you don't want anything in there, but yeah, it is fixed. Awesome. All right, it's just a quick tip, guys, so hopefully you guys like this video. Thank you so much and have a great day.